the next 30 days, you can close your first few land deals and pocket thousands of dollars, on average $5,000 per deal. I'm going to explain this in the simplest way possible. Your only job for month one is to close a few small deals, $5,000 each, give or take. It's the fastest way to actually get a check in your hand and learn this thing for real. And once you've got a few deals under your belt, scaling to $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, that is the easy part. I've done over 600 of these deals at this point, and I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to land your first one. Let's get into it. Step number one is finding a hot market. This is the most important step. If you're not in the right market, nothing else matters. We're gonna use Zillow.com, and it is completely free. So once you're on Zillow, you'll have this map right here. You can see where all the land is selling. Now we need to put a couple filters in place to make sure we're looking at it correctly. The first filter you are going to select is sold. We don't care about for sale. We care about where land is actually being purchased. Next, we are going to head over to property type right here. You'll select lots and land. We don't care about houses, any of that other stuff. Simply looking for land. What areas are the best for buying and selling land? Lastly, more filters on the top right. You'll scroll all the way down to the bottom. Right here where it says sold in last, you want to only select the last 90 days. We don't care about the last year or 5 years ago. We only care about right now. What areas are hot right now? Click apply, and now every single dot that you see on the map is a piece of land that someone bought in the last 90 days. Your job is simple. You're looking for clusters. You're looking for areas where the yellow dots are stacked on top of each other on every single street. That is a hot market. That means buyers are active there every single day. So we're scrolling through Zillow, and we want to find the areas where there's a ton of yellow dots, right? So this is a good example, Nashville, Tennessee. Almost everywhere that you look, there is a piece of land being sold. Now for your first deals, I actually want you to look at the slightly cheaper markets, maybe over here in North Carolina, for example, on the coast, where these deals are selling for a little bit cheaper, you know, in the $40,000 to $70,000 range. That's where it's easier to do deals as a beginner. Find a market with steady action where the land is affordable. That is your training ground. Step number two is finding your buyer first. Once you have found a hot market, you need to find your buyer before you ever talk to a single seller. And most people get this backwards. They go lock up a random piece of land and then they pray that they can sell it. No, we find the buyer first and we let the buyer tell us exactly what they want. That way we are never guessing. So in that same market, let's say we chose this one right here, we need to change up our filters a little bit. Instead of sold, we're going to switch over to for sale and click apply. Instead of land, we are now going to select houses. Now the reason for that is we want to see who's building the houses, because those people, they are going to be our buyers, home builders. These builders are your buyers. They need to buy more land to build more houses on. Lastly, under filters, you will come right here, scroll down just a little bit. For year built, you can type in 2025. So now on this map, you'll see these are all brand new houses that have just been built in 2025. What does that mean? These builders are active. They are actively buying land and building houses right now in current time. That's what we're looking for. There's a ton of new construction here. So now that we have all these listings here on the left, you can click on them, right? You click on it, you scroll down just a little bit, and right here, you'll see the address, the price. It's built in 2026. It's brand new, but you come down to right here and you have something special. You have the builder's name, their direct name. You know exactly who the builder is. Now, if their phone number is not listed directly on Zillow, very simple. You Google Logan Homes and it will give you their contact information. So you'll reach out to the builder, you keep it simple, you keep it sweet. They don't want to be best friends, they just want to do deals together. Hey, my name's Alex, I see you're building in North Carolina. I would be interested in bringing you some off-market vacant land deals. Would you be able to give me an idea as to what you're looking for? So these builders, they will send you something called a buy box, right? And all that is, it is their criteria. They'll give you a breakdown of what type of land they're looking for, what prices they want to be at, what to look out for, because obviously they want you to bring them deals, right? Every time you bring them a deal, you make a $5,000 to $10,000 finder's fee, but they also get a piece of land for one of their brand new houses where they're going to make a ton of money. It is a win-win situation. Once you have that, you've got your exact shopping list. Now, you don't need 100 builders. You need one good builder in each market who buys every single month. Step number 3. Now that you know what your buyer wants, we need to go find the land that matches it. So we're going to head over to PropStream.com. PropStream is going to give you a list list of every single person who owns land in that market. Now that we're here on PropStream, we are going to type in the city that we just found on Zillow, but we have to put some filters in place. So Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina, and it brings us right to that same exact city we just found on Zillow. Now we put our filters in place. Right here, top middle, you're going to click on filters. First things first, under property details, we want to select vacant land because of course we're building a list of vacant land. We only want empty pieces of land in this list. Number one, vacant land. Next, we are going to head over to MLS right here and select off market. Off market is your advantage. The builder can't just go grab these themselves because they're not publicly listed, right? These are off market. They're not online for the entire world to see. So MLS, off market. Lastly, we're gonna head over to owner information. This right here is the key. We don't wanna speak to people that purchased this property yesterday for top dollar. We only wanna speak to people that have owned these properties for years and they got it for cheap back in the day. Because guess what? Then we can also get them for cheap. The lower the price that the seller agrees on, the more money we make on the spread with our buyer. So right here for years of ownership, I want you to put 10 years minimum. That way, every single person in this list has owned this piece of land for 10 years or longer. It either got passed down to them from a family member, they inherited it for nothing, or they got it for cheap 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago for a couple $1,000s. Now it's worth a ton of money. Years later, they've been paying all these property taxes every single year, and they still have not done anything with this piece of land. These are the people that we want to speak to. When you put a cash offer in front of their face, they are more than likely to take it. So now that we have our filters in place in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina, we have 1,356 pieces of land that match our criteria. So now we're gonna reach out to all of these people, and that is step number 4. Okay, so we're gonna reach out to every single person in this list. We're not cold calling, all right? I have something way better for you, but we need to reach out to these people and ask them, hey, are you interested in selling your piece of land in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina? Out of those 1,356 people, you can expect around 10% to reply to your message. So that's around 135 people replying to you. Now, not every single person is gonna say, yes, I want to sell you my piece of land, but let's go ahead and dive in and we'll cover more of that later. Step number 4 is outreach, and this is where the magic happens. So you're gonna take that list from PropStream.com, okay? And before you do that, you either need to skip trace it on PropStream or on Replysmart. Now, Replysmart.ai is going to be your CRM. This is your messaging tool. It's how you stay organized. It's how you reach out to leads and keep every conversation in one place. This right here is my moneymaker. This is my secret. I would be nothing without it. So Replysmart.ai is exactly how you get deals closed. You will upload that list of 1,356 pieces of land in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina into this website right here. This website, with the click of a button, will message every single person in that list, hey, are you interested in selling your piece of land on 123 Main Street? That is it. And then the replies start coming in. Yes, I'm interested. What can you offer me? Now you've got real conversations going with real sellers, all tracked in one place. Now the owners who say maybe, those are money. You follow up with them. The fortune is in the follow-up, and that's exactly why you need a CRM like Replysmart.ai. That is what it's built for. You're not sitting there losing track of who said what. You stay organized, you stay consistent, and the deals come. Now, step number 5, you've got sellers saying they want to sell their property, so now we need to lock it up and we need to flip that contract. You only need 2 documents: a purchase and sale agreement between yourself and the seller, and an assignment of contract between you and the buyer. That is it. The purchase and sale agreement is just you agreeing to buy the property at a set price. But here is the key. It includes a special clause. And that clause, it means you can flip that contract to your builder instead of ever buying it yourself. It also has an inspection period, which is basically your get out of jail free card. If you can't find a buyer, you walk away with 0 penalty. And the earnest money deposit, usually $1,000, the buyer covers it, not you. So let's run the small numbers. Say your builder told you he would pay $60,000 for a property in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina. You sign a contract with the seller at $55,000, but then you sign a separate contract with your builder for $60,000. That $5,000 in between directly into your pocket. You send both of those contracts to the buyer's title company. You tell them you're the wholesaler and your assignment fee is $5,000. On closing day, the buyer will send the title company $60,000. They give the seller $55,000 as they agreed upon, and they hand you your $5,000 check. You never spent a dime. Now, if you do that a few times a month, that's around $15,000 per month. Now, here's where it gets exciting, right? Once you've closed a few small deals, you are no longer a beginner. You know the entire system cold. You've talked to sellers, you've worked with title companies, you've gotten paid. So now you do the same exact process, but you aim higher. You go after more markets, bigger deals where your builder's paying $150,000, $250,000 for an acre. You lock it up at $120,000, you sell it for $150,000, you make $30,000 on one deal using the same 5 steps that you already mastered. This is not a one deal hustle. It is a volume business. Every single week you're finding markets, you're pulling lists, you're sending messages, and you're following up consistently. That's how it becomes predictable. Myself, I do 30 to 40 deals a month, and I never miss. Every single month, 30 to 40 closings direct into my bank account. But every single one of them runs on the same exact system that I just broke down here, and I started exactly where you are. Obviously, this is a quick breakdown. There's way more detail to it, but that's why I'm here to help. So if you're serious about closing your first deal in the next 30, 60, 90 days, and you don't want to spend 6 months making the same mistakes that I made, I want to help you directly. Click the link in the description, book a free call with me and my team. We'll help you pick your markets, we'll help you find your buyers, and we'll even look at partnering with you on your first few deals so you've got me in your corner from day one. My student Zach followed this exact system and he closed over $25,000 in a single month as a beginner. My student Kevin made over $20,000 last month partnering on deals, and you can be next. So click the link, book the call, and let's go get you your first land deal done. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. I'll see you guys soon.